bitches fucking up my image and mama bringing drama. I don't trust no bitches. See these hoes be out here switching they sound. When it's time for the killers, I'll probably right in my eyes. Be ready to never felony type of brain in mind. Better than have nobody alive. Nobody lived the life that I did. Inviting to live since I was a kid. Landing off with the money I said. My house look like a gun rack. My room look like a gun store. Either y'all gon' know my name or niggas dying young and poor. Either way, don't give no fuck. You gon' find me northbound with this shit. I'm in this shit. You know I love the gun sound. Niggas crap, back some flow, they taking shots. I'm at the crowd, catch them out the shotgun. Riding white from 50 yards. No baddie shots, I'm hitting drugs. Try to wreck you, see me walking. You see, I mean the shit I'm talking. You don't want no, hey, slave to the rhythm. Shoot my master in this back, hey. Two dope boys in the Cadillac straps. Wood green glass, windshield stage last. Beating down the app like we got selling crack. Killing for the karma, we're living for my mama. The trouble what they call us, and nothing what they offer. And they wonder why niggas get shot. Hey, man, they wonder why niggas get shot. Where you at, where you from? See, it's hot, white man. Any time of the day, you can rock and jump. It's a game that we play to get paid for the ones to the needs of the young. Stay slide to the grass, play slide in the bag of the used and abused. Try to walk in my shoes, get tricked. My view too short. Ask God, what do you want? He said, I want your life. Well, I ain't live my right. But if I do the crime, then I do the time. I ain't scared of shit. I was born to extend the clip in 45. With the two pillars. When I die, please don't let mama cry. She know, had to be in my eyes. And I got questions. Get a gun and go knock that nigga. Run up on it, no mess, no fear, no room for that.